Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Ryan from Smart Home Solo. These are my AirPod first gens. I have not seen these things for about 6 months. I'm happy to see them, but unfortunately for me, they're not in the best shape. They need a little bit of TLC, a little bit of cleaning. Guess what? We're gonna look at how to deep dive, clean, power clean your AirPods. This is going to work for AirPods first, second, third generation Pros. AirPods Max, that may be a little bit of a different process. All right, guys, let's jump into it. All right, so let's jump in and take a look at what we need. Right now, we've got some 70% rubbing alcohol that you can pick up at any drugstore. We've got ourselves a cleaning cloth. We have our AirPods. We have a couple of Q-tips or cotton swabs. And then we also have a toothpick. And then we have just a paper towel to get rid of any debris, wax, dust, dirt, stuff that we find inside of there. So let's jump in. We're going to go ahead and start using some of our alcohol on our cloth. Go ahead and put some of that on there. Not a ton, just a little bit to get you going. And then we're going to start working on the case, the outside case. Just go ahead and start buffing it, cleaning it, rubbing it, doing all the things just to get any sort of debris, dirt, and nastiness off of the case. All right, next we're going to open up our AirPods and actually remove the AirPods themselves. So that way we can clean the inside of the case. So we're going to take our cleaning cloth here. I'm sorry it's out of the way, but we're going to just kind of clean inside the shell, clean inside the lid, get into any of the nooks and crannies with a little bit of alcohol on the wipe. All right, once that's looking good, let's move on to our Q-tips. Go ahead and grab some of the isopropyl alcohol. I don't know if that's how you say it. Isopropyl, it's kind of hard to say, but some of the alcohol, put it onto the cotton swab. Now you don't want a ton, just enough to kind of clean any debris away. And we're actually going to reach inside the little stem area and clean up the little contacts and things like that. Be careful because there are the metal contacts at the bottom. You don't want to go poking around too hard or too crazy in this. Obviously be gentle throughout this entire process. And continue to work your way through the shell, the lid, everything with the Q-tips, and yeah, just kind of clean it all up. Okay, now let's move on to the AirPods themselves. Let's go ahead and take some more alcohol on one of the Q-tips, and yeah, just take a look at your different sensors, your different little spots, and your different little speaker grills, all the little different areas of the AirPod. And just start kind of buffing them and cleaning them with the Q-tip and the alcohol. Work your way around all the areas and all the surfaces of the AirPod just to give it a nice, good overall cleaning. All right, now we're going to move on to our toothpick. Now be extremely careful during this part. You can damage your AirPod if you actually poke or press in on any of the little grills or little covers, little areas of the AirPod that are sensitive. So just kind of work your way around the little bit of lid on the AirPod, being gentle as you can, and just remove any sort of debris from inside the little lip. Wipe anything excess away. And then you can move on to your other AirPod. Go ahead and grab a fresh Q-tip and go ahead and apply some alcohol. Get it ready for cleaning and start working on it. Hope you guys enjoyed the AirPods cleaning video, and I hope you guys have some nice, clean, awesome sounding AirPods. If you do, go ahead and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to grow the channel. And as always, guys, keep it solo.